Hey, what's up? Danny Lightning back with another War Robots video. I'm on the test server again, trying out the new Ragnarok robots. Decided to try some stings on the Loki. We'll see how that goes. Those have a 600-meter range, so that should be cool. I've also got two robots with the avalanche. So the Ragnarok robots and the avalanche are what they want us to test out on this test server. So let's go do some gameplay with these things. I'm going to start off with the Loki. I notice he's still being targeted by certain weapons even when he's in stealth. And it feels like they made him slower when he's not in stealth mode. I believe they slowed him down a little bit even when he is in stealth mode. I think they slowed him down slightly from last time. So we're going to go into stealth and go try and take the center beacon. I think they said he moves at 80 kilometers per hour instead of 90 now when he's in stealth. When he's not in stealth, I'm really not sure how fast he moves. See, those weapons are still able to hit me easily. And I'm in stealth mode, so that actually shouldn't happen. And I'm going to die real quick. That was a bad move to go out of stealth. But they got me, so let's go ahead and bring this guy in. That guy's got those annoying lasers. I can't get a good lock on anybody. I personally don't like this robot. Right now he's got an impenetrable shield, or you can turn that off and bring out his third weapon. If you need to recharge the shield, you have to go out of this mode and bring in the weapon. I already made a video explaining what these robots do last weekend on the test server, so I'm not going to go into that again. I'm just doing some gameplay with them this time. I need to recharge that shield. And I'm getting beat up really bad right now. He's so slow, it's unbelievable once you bring him into the 3-weapon mode. So let's take this guy in here. This guy's got constant healing as long as he stays in this mode. I'm not a big fan of shotgun weapons, but I really like the shotgun weapons on this robot. If I had this guy, I think this is the setup I would want on him. For some reason he has a healing module on him, but it's not here. I can't use it. And the whole team ganged up on me there. So let's go ahead and bring out the Carnage with the avalanche and test these longer range heavy weapons out. In my opinion, these just don't do enough damage for the amount of time it takes for these things to reload. Small damage with a very long reload time. Guy's back there healing. I don't want to get too close because you can't brawl with this weapon. I can't get any good hits. They're hiding back there. They're doing a good job of hiding back there. And my team won, so let's come back with the avalanches again. I'll do one more round. We'll start with the avalanches. Personally, I think these need to do a lot more damage. I think the problem is they don't shoot that many missiles. They look cool, I like the looks of these this time. I like the way the animation is when they shoot and all that good stuff. I just don't think they do enough damage for the really long reload times. Alright, so almost my whole team decided to go ahead and pick the Loki. Or at least 3 of them did, and they're all going that way. I don't like the Talumbas either. That's probably why I don't like this weapon, just because it's a heavy version of the Talumba, and I've never liked the Talumbas. Truth is, there's a lot of weapons and robots in this game that I just don't like. There's a few that I seem to do really well with, and a bunch that I don't. Let's move over this way. Try and get out of here before they kill me. And there's not much you can do at that point. I keep getting attacked by the entire team, so when that happens, you don't really stand a chance. The game is lagging a little bit. I'm going to run over here and take this beacon. Now, if you can get on like a one-on-one type fight, this weapon actually might be pretty good on him. You definitely still kind of want to keep your distance. This guy is really not made to be a brawler. He doesn't have a whole lot of hit points. He's more of a beacon runner and a support type robot, in my opinion. His shield's completely full. So let's run by. This weapon's good for kind of running in and out. Didn't hit anybody there. I'm a little too far away. These have a 600-meter range. I'm going to go into stealth. See, that guy should not be able to target me while I'm in stealth mode, so that's a glitch going on here. So some weapons are still targeting him, even when they should not be. We got the big slow guy here. I just don't like this one. I guess it's not too slow when it's in this mode. When you go into the other mode, it's like a turtle. Look how slow that is. I think that's worse than the Lancelot. I believe this thing is supposed to have a physical shield like a Lancelot, and it's got the impenetrable shield. I need to get over there. Alright, he's running away. And I'm locked down. I'll use my healing module. Try and stay alive. So far, though, the only out of these new robots, I really like the Loki. He seems to do best with shotgun weapons up close. I don't think I like these shredders on him. So let's see what I can change him to. We'll go play one more battle and then I'm going to end the video. So we'll put shotguns on him. We'll put two gusts. And let's see, what do I want to put on here for the center weapon? I believe my other two gusts are being used. Let's go ahead and do a shredder. That's a lockdown weapon. That might be kind of cool. We'll try that setup. And we'll start off with the healing guy because I don't think I played him on the last battle. So we're going to start off with Tear, or however you say it. This one's pretty cool too. I like this robot. Kind of a bummer I don't have the healing module because I could have his built-in healing plus the healing module. We got this guy coming here. And I should be hitting him. This weapon should be able to hit this guy still. I can't actually tell if it's doing any damage or not. And I can't move, I must be locked down. They took me out real fast. Alright, let's bring the Loki in. The whole team's over there, so I don't want to run that way, or they're just going to take me out. I'll follow my teammates around this time. If I go in by myself, like I've been doing the last couple battles, I'm just going to get destroyed real quick. I'm going to travel with a buddy this time. Lag, it's hard to aim when you got lag. Okay, I gotta use that stealth. And they're still just destroying me even though I've got stealth. So I don't know what's going on with the stealth today. I guess it's just not working in the test server. I don't even think I was hitting that guy. My weapon didn't seem to be damaging him. Anyways, we'll play one more battle with this guy. I think we're going to lose really soon, so I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to get to the other two robots. I'm locked down, so they're going to take me out. I really hate the lockdown weapons, I'll tell you that much. I'm really not doing very good this session, I'll tell you that. I can't even see what's going on here. And they killed me. I don't know, I'm just not doing well with these robots. I was having a lot of fun with the Loki last test server when his stealth was working properly. He was really the only one that I did good with. The other two, I like the one that has constant healing, but I still don't do well with him. So anyways, I guess that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Alright, catch you later.